IELTS Life Skills A1 Spouse Visa Test.
Doman is candidate A, Neelam is candidate B. This is Angelina. I am your interlocutor for IELTS Life Skills A1 Speaking and Listening Test. Candidate A, what's your full name?
My full name is Naman Zahid.
And what can I call you?
You can call me Naman.
Can you spell your name?
Yes, of course, Noman Naman.
Where do you come from?
I come from Bakr, Pakistan.
And what do you do?
I'm a shopkeeper.
Alright. Tell me about the food that you like to eat and how often do you eat it?
I like to eat chicken biryani, and I eat every weekend. I like to eat it.
Okay, alright. What is your favorite meal of the day?
My favorite meal of the day is evening. Hello?
Favorite meal of the day.
Hello?
Favorite meal of the day, meal. Naman, favorite meal
Yes.
of the day, meal.
What is the meal? Mile, I think.
What's your favorite meal of the day, meal?
Sorry, teacher.
Haha, got you, fail, Naman. Okay,
No.
Naman, meal,
Mile of the
breakfast,
day, I
lunch
think.
or dinner? What is your favorite meal of the day?
Oh, mile of the day. Okay, all right. Dinner is the mile of the day.
Okay, alright. Do you know how to cook food?
Do you know how to cook food?
How to cook food?
I don't like to cook food.
Alright. Tell me about the things that you like to do to help others.
I like to share my money with my friends sometimes, and I like to use my mobile. I chat with my friends, help with others.
Do you have a group of friends?
Yes, I have group of friends.
Who is your good friend?
Shizad is my good friend. Good friend.
Thank you.
Okay.
Candidate B, what's your full name?
My full,
What's your full name, Candidate B?
my full name is Neelam Khan.
What can I call you?
You can call me Neelam.
Can you spell your name?
Yes, of course. Nilam Neelam.
Where do you come from?
I come from Afghanistan.
And what do you do?
I'm a housewife.
Right, tell me about the things that you like to do in your hometown.
In my hometown, I don't like to do something special. I just live there and I want to help my neighbors. And if they need to help, I like to help them. I don't do something special in my.
Okay, tell me about a special day in your country.
There's many special days in my countries like East Independence Days and also New Year.
Alright, and what do you do when you feel excited?
When I feel excited, when I feel excited, I like to talk to my friends and share my feel with them that I'm happy and I'm excited.
Alright, could you please tell me about your favorite place where
Sorry, ma'am, your voice is not
your
proper.
favorite place where you like to go?
Okay, my favorite place is a restaurant, and I always like to go to a restaurant with my friends, and I also like to go to cafeteria. and spend time with my friends.
Thank you. Now, candidate A, question candidate B about her favorite sports. And candidate B, you will question candidate A about his favorite websites. You both have 1 minute to think about your questions. You may take notes if you wish. Now, candidate
Okay.
A, please
Are you ready?
ask your questions from candidate B about sports. You have 2 minutes. Your time begins now.
Okay. Do you like sports?
Yes, I like too much sports.
What is your favorite sports game?
My favorite sport game is cricket. I like
Okay.
sports.
Do you like tennis?
No, I don't like tennis. I think it's very boring game.
Okay. Do you like football game?
Yes, football is also exciting game, and I like to watch football. But sometimes, not always.
Tell me, what is the national game in your country?
I don't know about it. I'm not sure. But the
Okay, what
national
is your
game.
favorite batsman?
Sorry,
What is your favorite batsman?
I can you repeat?
Okay, what is your favorite batsman?
Batsman. My favorite batsman is Nabi Muhammad Nabi. He's very intelligent.
Okay. Okay, where do you like to play sports game?
I like to play sports game in cricket academies, and I also like to play game in my house in garden.
Do you like to play cricket with your friends?
Yes, I like to play cricket with my friends, and we usually play cricket game in our house. And when we have free time, we go to cricket academy and we play cricket there.
Okay, how often do you like to play cricket?
I like to play cricket weekend.
Thank you, candidate A, for your questions. Now, candidate B, please ask your questions about favorite website from candidate A. You have 2 minutes and your time begins now.
Do you have any favorite websites?
Yes, I like my Google website is a very good website and I all time use.
What's the name of your favorite website?
What's the name?
Yes, what's the name?
Google Chrome is a website.
Why do you use this website?
Because this is a very easy to use, so that's why I like to use.
Alright.
Sorry.
For what things do you use this website?
How often?
No, for what things?
I don't know. Please repeat the question.
Okay, so how often do you use this website?
Sometimes I use every day to searching everything, so that's why I like to.
Without Google, is there any website that
Sorry.
without Google Chrome, is there any website you like to use?
I like to use Google Chrome.
Without Google,
Without, I like to use Paramani website.
Mhm. How many websites do you have on your phone?
Just want to add website Google Chrome and Opera Money and UC browser. Just only 3 4 websites I have used.
Do you use any website on computer? On your computer?
Yes, I have many
Thank you.
in my
Thank you so
computer.
much, candidate B, for your beautiful questions. This is the end of phase 1B. Now I'm going to share the screen with you. Please listen carefully and answer 3 questions each from the recording that I'm going to play. Candidate A, from the first recording, what time of the year is the first speaker talking about? Spring, autumn, or winter? Candidate B, from the second recording, what time of the year is the second speaker talking about? Spring, autumn, or winter? Let's listen to the recording.
Life. Entry 1, Task 1. Script 1.
I really like the cold, and I love it when it snows. It's very exciting and a lot of fun. It's my birthday in January, so it's my favourite month. I love walking in the park and seeing the trees with no leaves. They look beautiful. My husband likes that time of year too.
Script 2.
I don't like the cold. It's good when it starts to get warm, and nice to see the leaves on the trees start to grow again. I love to see the flowers in the park. They're beautiful too. My birthday is in April, so that's my favourite month. My children love this time of year too.
Candidate A, from the first recording, what time of the year is the first speaker talking about? Spring, autumn, or winter?
Winter.
Thank you. Candidate B, what time of the year is the second speaker talking about in the second recording? Spring, autumn, or winter? Candidate B. Sorry? Repeat. Beautiful. What time of the year is the second speaker talking about? Spring, autumn, or winter?
Autumn.
No. Neelam. Anyways, the answer is incorrect because, listen once again, Neelam. Second recording.
They look beautiful. So it's my favourite month. My husband likes that.
I don't like the cold. It's good when it starts to get warm, and nice to see the leaves on the trees start to grow again. I love to see the flowers in the park.
So, he loves to see when the trees start growing again. So that is spring. What do you say? Neelam, do you understand, beautiful? Second recording is about spring. It gets warmer. Warm. Understanding or not, Neelam?
Yes, now I understand.
Okay, now listen again and answer these questions. Candidate B, from the first recording, what month is the speaker's birthday and what does she like to see in the park? Candidate A, from the second recording, what does the speaker like to see in the park from the second recording, and what month is his birth? Listen once again.
It's very.
Entry 1, Task 1. Script 1.
I really like the cold, and I love it when it snows. It's very exciting and a lot of fun. It's my birthday in January, so it's my favourite month. I love walking in the park and seeing the trees with no leaves. They look beautiful. My husband likes that time of year too.
Script 2.
I don't like the cold. It's good when it starts to get warm, and nice to see the leaves on the trees start to grow again. I love to see the flowers in the park. They're beautiful too. My birthday is in April, so that's my favourite month. My children love this time of year too.
Alright, candidate B, can you tell me, from the first recording, what month is the speaker's birthday?
January.
Okay, and what does she like to see in the park?
She like walking and see the trees with you.
Thank you. Candidate A, from the second recording, what does the speaker like to see in the park?
Tree, I think. I don't know.
Okay, tree, that is right. First one is tree with no leaves.
And
second one is trees. Okay, correct. And what month is his birthday?
April.
Correct. Good job. Very nice. Now we are going to move to the last phase of the test, that is phase 2B. After that, we will have a small assessment with Amani. Amani, after this, I'm going to take an assessment with you. So stay tuned. So candidate A and B, please discuss with each other about the things that you like to do every day. Things that you like to do every day. For 3 minutes. Your time begins now.
Okay.
Noman, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
What do you like to do every day?
I like to play game every day. What about you?
I like to do many things every day. I like to go institute every day. Do you like to eat every 5 times every day?
Yes, I like to eat every day. What about you? Do you like to eat every day?
Yes, I like to eat every day. Do you like a room every day?
Sorry?
Do you like to clean your room every day?
Sorry, I can't.
Do you like to clean your room every day?
Do you like to eat every day? I like to eat chicken biryani sometimes, and I like to eat chicken biryani every day. What about you? Do you like to eat
Uh,
every day?
do you like to clean every day?
Do you take? Do you listen to music every day?
Yes, I listen to music every day.
Okay.
What about
Do
you?
you watch TV every day?
Yes, I watch TV every day. What about you? Do you like to listen to news every day?
Yes, I like to watch TV every day.
Do you like to take
Do
a
you like to play game every day?
sorry?
Do you like to play game every day?
No, I don't like to play every day, but at weekend I like to play. Do you like to take a bath every day?
Okay. Do you like to travel every day?
Sorry, what?
Do you like to travel every day? Do you like to travel every day?
No, I don't like to travel every day because it's not because I don't like to travel every day. I just like to travel twice a week or once a week. What about you? Do you like to travel every day?
Yes, I like to travel every day. I go
Do you
to the
work every day?
yeah. Sorry.
Do you go to your work every day?
Yes, I like to go every day. What about you?
I don't have any work. That's why I don't have to go to work. And do you
Do
like
you like to
to?
go restaurant every day?
Yes, I like to go restaurant every day, but I don't have free time to do like this. Do you like to learn English every day?
Yes, I learn English every day. What about you? Do you learn English every day?
Yes, I learn English every day. I have online classes and I go to institute.
Do you have use your phone every day?
Sorry.
Do you have used your phone every day?
Yes, I use my mobile phone every day. What about you? Do you like
Okay.
to use your computer every day?
Yes, I like to use my computer every day. Do you take a photo every day?
Oh, I don't like to take a photo every day. Um, do you visit your mother every day?
Sorry.
Do you like to visit your mother every day?
Yes, I like to visit with my mother. I like to go. What about you?
Yes, I like to visit I like visiting. Oh,
Do
do
you
you
like
like
to? Sorry.
ask?
Do you like to meet your relative every day?
No, I don't like to visit my relative every day. I don't like to visit them. I just
Do you
like to
like to
visit.
meet
Thank
your
you.
friends every
Thank you
day?
so much, candidate A and candidate B. This is the end of the test, and you both have passed IELTS Life Skills A1 Speaking and Listening Test.
Thank you.
Good job. Thank you.